Today I would like to introduce to you the project Future Life Robotic Weeding in the Field. In this project we are mainly interested how good are these machines working, and to identify this we are analyzing the amount of weeds and sugar beets before and after the robots are working in the field. So let's have a look at the robots. So here we see the weeding robot from Farming Revolution. The special thing about this robot is that it has cameras on board which can detect weeds and distinguish them from sugar beets. And by this information, the robot is steering mechanical devices to remove the weeds. Here we have the Farm Droid weeding robot. The special thing about this robot is that it does precision seeding. That means it knows exactly where each plant is in the field and then does the weeding around the plants. Here we see the robot from Ecorobotix. This robot has a camera system on board which can distinguish weeds from sugar beets. And with this information it steers precision nozzles that we see here to apply the herbicide precisely onto the weed. As you can see from Farm Droid, Farming Revolution and the Ecorobotix robot, there are already interesting new ideas and approaches for weed control in sugar beet. And we as KWS will continue to accompany such technologies in the future.